I'm here back today again with another video. We were visiting one of our family and they like to change their light in the kitchen. So I thought let me help them out, and today we just bought a light. I bought it from Home Depot, and let's see how we change that light and make the area a little bit bright. So the light I bought from Home Depot, this is the one that Metlux flush mount light. It's an LED light, and we want to replace with that light. You see the old conventional style, and let's see how we change that light. So before changing this light, very important that we should turn off the breaker. To turn off the breaker for this switch, that switch is here, and for this light, and let's see, we see the breaker panel in the house. Let's go to see the breaker. So I'm in the panel room, and this is a panel here. Let's open and see where's the breaker. Alright, so there are breaker, and I can read that's a countertop, range, countertop, furnace, and then what is this? There's a dishwasher, and then 23rd, that's a bedroom, washer, dining room, exit, garage. So probably the breaker is, this is what's that, for kitchen. So that's the breaker. So let's turn off the breaker, take a look if the power is off. Okay, breaker is off. Oh, so the power is off, the light is off, and the look light is off because the breaker is turned off. So we just want to make sure that nobody go to the breaker and turn it off, turn it on while we're working here. So yeah, totally power is off. I'll check on. There's no power. On off, on off. So breaker is off. So as we open the light, and what we found like 3 mirrors. These are 3 mirrors, like a cap, and some of the nut and bolt, probably there are 2, and there's one ring here, probably mounting bracket, and also the light it look like this. Oh, that has a hot wire, neutral, and a ground. So hot, neutral, and a ground. Let's open this. Oh, this is a lever here. Open it like that, and another lever here like that. Alright, so open the cover. Alright. Oh, this looks awesome. So look like inside we got a LED, and then that is the switch here that you can change the light mode from 5,000, 4,000, and 3,000. So basically yellow, bright white, and the daylight. So there are 3 settings. So whatever setting you like to do, we can set from here. And let's see the mounting bracket again from the back. This is pretty standard. It will go on our probably octagon. So it's pretty simple. And I got a couple tools here. That's a star screwdriver, and that's the number 2. That's a Phillips. Right, a little bit dirty. That's okay. And we got a plier here, and a safety glasses, and also I have a tester. So that tester kind of keep with me handy, so I will double check if there's a power or not before opening any electrical light or any plug. So let's go open the light. Alright, so we are up here now. This is the light, and yeah, normally they got 3 levers this side, and I'll pull one, see if it's coming out. Oh, it's pretty solid. And I pull this out, it's pretty solid here. And try this one, make sure you hold it, and oh, that's coming out. So I'll bring it out, that's like that, and then I'm just slide it nicely, and my light is open now. So I can see the bulbs here. I'll take my bulb out. Alright, and I get other bulb out as well. Good. Get my plier, and I just do. So just want to make sure again that there's no power. So look like there's no power there. Yeah, because my breaker is off. So just want to double check the breaker should be off. Let's go back and open it. So very nicely I got an alignment and lightly open it. Alright. Take it out. Alright, so yeah, what I see here, I see in 3 wires. So we got a black, that's a black, and that's a white, and that's a ground. And I'll double check again to see if there is any power. I don't see any power here. If there's a power, it will turn red and it's continuously be red. So there's no power here. Good. Alright, so let's take it apart. Alright, one. And take my neutral off. And my ground. Oh, my ground is off. So my light is off now. Right, so that's my ground. That's my neutral. And that's my hot. So yeah, I'll bring the new light and put on.
So I got this back plate came with the light, and I will replace this back plate ring
With that fitting. So I'm gonna go up, take that fitting off.
go up.
Just careful. And I'm gonna take that off totally. Okay. I got one screw. And then another screw here. Alright, take it off. Alright,
That's totally off.
and I will put this back. Make sure these three wires go through this, and I will just hold it with my wire.
So I'll get my screw.
Put my plate back. That's the ring. So just with my star screwdriver, just want to make sure that it's pretty tight and snug. So the back plate is pretty tight, and I got my wires out. One is a ground, neutral, and a hot. So let's go grab the light now.
So I got the light fixture back pan in my hand, and I got a neutral wire and the grounds and a hot. So let's go.
Put hot with the hot. So I got this is hot, and I'll just tie it together. And then I got a mirror. Just want to make sure that is nice turns. And put my mallet on. And I just want to make sure my mallet is pretty tight. So put neutral with the neutral, which is white, most of the cases. And then this is my ground. And again, I attach my ground. And then I put my merit on. That is my hot, which is black. My neutral, which is white. And my ground, which is yellow, green, and a copper. So yeah, I put this light back and then put this back pan and tied it with my nut. Okay, so let's grab the nut. So I put this light wire inside as much as possible in the box. Like that. Straight.
I can try it with my wire.
Okay. Alright, so I just want to make sure that this is nice and square. Just double check it looks square.
Yeah, it looks square.
And I just want to make snug and tight. I don't want to do too much tight, but yes, it will stay there. Alright, so make it a little tight. Probably you can do it with a hand. No, try that.
Back in the breaker panel, and that was the breaker 19, so breaker was off. So let's turn on the breaker and go back to the light and see if the power is there. Breaker is on.
Alright, so there is a light on, so that is kind of bright white. So let's go change the setting there. So that little dip switch has 3 settings with a 3K, 4K and 5K. So in our case, we want to keep 5K. So I'll keep this dip switch towards to the 5K. Let's go back, turn it on, check again. Okay. All right, my light is turned on. Look like it's good. And now it's time to put the cover on. This is the light cover. Just want to make sure it's a little clean inside. That's the final step to put the cover back. So this cover is going just straight. So as I told you, there's a lever this side and I want it this side. So keep this outside, kind of open position. And I'll put that right slightly on top. Yeah, the cover is on. Now let's go turn on the light. The light, because my breaker is on. There you go. So my light is there. That's pretty bright. So I hope you learn how to install the light, and hope you like it, and make sure you subscribe and like it. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.